Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you two brand new tools in Canva's Photo Editor, Auto Select and Perspective Correction. These tools are super helpful when editing your photos, and I'll guide you step by step on how to use them. So keep watching till the end, because we'll not just talk about them, we'll actually try them out together inside Canva and see how they work in real time. Let's jump right in. Click Photo Editor to access these tools. Now, let's start with the first tool, Auto Select. As the name suggests, it's designed to automatically select objects or people in your image quickly and accurately. When you click on Auto Select, Canva opens a clean editing window displaying your image or design. Here, you can either pick a photo from your existing designs or upload a brand new one by heading over to the Uploads tab. For this tutorial, I'll use one of my own image so you can see exactly how powerful this new feature is. Let's upload it and watch how Canva automatically identifies the main subject. It's quick, accurate, and feels like magic. Once this window pop up on your screen, head over to the Select Area section. You'll notice a set of quick access buttons, each designed to make your workflow smoother. The trick is to pick the one that best fits your needs. Let's explore them one by one and see exactly how they work. When you click on All, the tool will automatically select your entire image. That means everything, from the characters to the background. It's perfect when you want to work with the full scene at once. The next quick button is Click. When you select it, you can pick out any specific element in your image, like a character, a bag, or any other object you want to work with. It gives you accurate control, so you can not only focus on exactly what matters, but also resize, replace, or remove the selected elements, making your editing smoother than ever. The next quick button is Brush. This tool works just like a brush, giving you full control over your selections. You can easily adjust its size and highlight any item or character by simply holding down the mouse or control key, just like I'm showing here. Next, we have the Foreground tool. With just one click, Canva automatically picks out everything that's in front of your image, like objects or people. Next is the Background tool. It automatically selects the background, and you can replace or remove it with just one click. The last tool is Text. It detects any text in your image automatically, but since my image doesn't have any, it couldn't find anything to highlight. Next, we have the Perspective Correction tool. It helps fix crooked or tilted images. Basically, it straightens photos that look off angle and makes them look perfectly aligned. For example, take a look at this billboard image. It's not clearly visible. With the help of the Perspective Correction tool, we can adjust it to achieve a clear and properly aligned view. In this image, we're applying a practical horizontal view adjustment. Let's try using the vertical adjustment. It doesn't apply well to this image, so we'll need to use a different one. Now, let's try it on this building image. As you move the point, notice how the entire structure adjusts. The lines straighten, and the angle of the photo changes in real time. It's really fascinating to see how smoothly the perspective correction tool transforms the image. In this video, you've learned how to use Canva's latest auto select and perspective correction tools, two powerful features that make editing faster and more precise.